Welcome to episode 3 of series 2. In today's episode we'll be looking at the Advanced Graphical Test Generator. Last episode we had a look at the IC tester where we were testing the functionality of a digital device itself. Now we'll be generating those logic traces and we'll be doing some quite fun things with those. Could you explain to us more about the Advanced Graphical Test Generator, please?
Sure. So as you just explained now, the Advanced IC tester, which we looked at in the previous episode, it showed us how we can do 5 different tests digitally on our IC or the PCB itself. In today's episode, we'll be looking at the Advanced Graphical Test Generator, which is another instrument available with the BoardMaster that specifically used for the ATM. So we can look at the instrument, and again, we'll be doing everything within test flow. And what this allows us to do is create our own custom truth table test, our own custom logical sequence with highs and lows for the device we have, whether that's an IC or whether that's a complete PCB as well.
Okay, brilliant. But can you use this to sort of create custom logic traces?
Yes, so we could do that now.
Okay.
So we've connected our ATM to the IC we have in front of us, and what we could quickly do is set up the channels of our ATM to drive or sense highs and lows to the IC we have in front of us. So basically creating our own test sequence, our own logical test sequence. So I've set the first channel of the ATM, I've named it as a 1A, so we're driving this input, and we'll change this channel type to a drive.
Okay.
And we'll do the same for this one.
Right, so those are our 2 inputs?
Yep, 1A and 1B, we have 1Y, so this will be our output.
Okay, brilliant.
So that'll be sense. And we'll just randomly create our sequence here.
Okay.
Like so. Yep. And then we can easily and quickly click learn.
Right.
So the system automatically learns the output.
Yeah.
And then once we click run,
okay,
the system gives us a pass. So as you can see within the test flow, we have a pass, and within the instrument we have a tick.
Okay.
So as I mentioned, this is not just for the IC, but it can also be done for the whole PCB as well.
Right.
And just looking back at the software here, we have the family list, and in the family list, again, we have a list of all the different families, and by clicking on one of these, you can see all the different packages available within that. For example, if I click on connector, you can see all these readily available connectors already in the software.
Okay.
You can simply click on them and connect your PCB, and away you go.
Brilliant. So you can do that logical test on an entire PCB itself.
Exactly, yeah.
Brilliant. So, so this has got a library as well?
Yes, so this is the library. As shown in the previous episode with the Advanced IC tester, it's a similar library to that.
Okay, and then you can also use this to compare the functionality of one IC to another as well. So you've got that comparison test. Okay, brilliant. So I see at the bottom, can you import and export and save these tests?
Of course, so if you're creating your own custom truth table test, you can then save that and then re-import it or import it, or again, you could share these files as well. So what I could do here is show you a quick demonstration. This is one done by one of our customers.
Okay.
So I could quickly come here, click import. There we are.
Okay.
So this is a complete custom truth table test for a particular IC that our customer made. Just to quickly show you here, if I slide across, you can see all the different logic sequences, all the zeros and ones for all these, for the whole device.
Okay, I can see down here it's just as easy as just clicking 1 and 0 on high and low on your keyboard, and it'll automatically input it.
You can use the mouse, or you can use the keys on the keyboard to enter your high and low states. Yeah.
Brilliant. So I think it's pretty evident how graphical test generator can really speed up that logic trace process when testing functional devices. Brilliant. Okay.